Well, I used to make this series in, in Dutch, but I'm gonna try it in English for the first time. And it's all about me have a chronic fatigue syndrome, and for all the people who are worse than me and cannot go outside, I just walk or drive around. At the moment, it's only driving because I'm too tired to, walk. So I just make a drive around video with this machine. It's really old and crappy, and it rattles, but it can bring me to beautiful places and nature. And that's the whole point of the video, is to make people who cannot come outside anymore to enjoy some nature, some outside, and see more of the world than only their bedroom. Because, and sometimes I'm also bedbound for days or weeks. And, but today I have a good day, the weather is good, so let's go on a little tour. Maybe you guessed it, with all the cyclists around, we're in the Netherlands. It's full on summer now. It used to be a heat wave for almost a week or something, with really high temperatures, the highest ever recorded in June or something. So everything is a bit dry, but we have some great thunderstorms with lots of weather and wind and rain. So it has been a bit how do you call it? A bit wet for the plants also, so everything is not totally brown and dead. And, cows are out in the fields, enjoying also beautiful weather. Duurstede. This is a really one of the really old towns in the Netherlands, where the Vikings used to be as well. You have some great archaeological founds there in the past years. I don't hope the microphone's picking it up because it's really windy at the moment. So if there's some wind noise, I'm sorry about it, but there's nothing I can do. Well, maybe with an external microphone, but yeah. Nice and cool under the trees, really beautiful here. Not much traffic going on, and we are about like 6 or 7 kilometers from Utrecht, which is in the center of the Netherlands, and it's a really old, beautiful town. Here we have a little nature reserve called the Niehof. It's really small, but most of the time there is not many people around, and it's quiet, and there are beautiful birds and everything all around. Oh. Now I will slow down because the road's getting really worse here, and otherwise you cannot hear anything except the rattling of my mobility scooter. And I'm gonna try to get a new one, but yeah, this one still works, and it was given to me, and because it's all my property, I can do whatever I want with it. I'm quite handy, so I try to repair it myself. So and it's doing quite alright. I can do about 30 kilometers with it, so that's far enough. But this is a really rough patch. If you see my mirror moving, how I'm going over the boulders here. It's not strange that it rattles a bit. Really love the tall trees here. It's almost like a cathedral, especially in the winter when there's no leaves on the trees. It closes up like a cathedral roof above you, all the branches. Oh, and I try to shoot everything in once because I'm too tired most of the time to edit. I don't have the concentration for it. So if I do something wrong, it's most of the time still in the shot, and I don't cut it out because yeah, well, it's part of life and part of the whole experience, I think. The road is getting smaller and smaller, but I still fit, I hope. A little small lane with lots of oak trees, and on the side of the lane is some farming land, and in the distance there is a place called Zeist. There is one of the farms. This whole idea, why I started it was like there was one Dutch woman who said, "Oh yeah, I make videos for on YouTube for people who are bedbound and they can see the world outside. So I walk through nature to show the world to them, and they can pay to watch it." And then I thought, well, all these people, including me, are sick, and then you also have to pay to see the world around. That's not a good thing. So I thought I'm gonna make this myself. But it's harder than you think, especially when you're on a bumpy road like this. But yeah, it's nice to do because I also have HDID, so it's something to keep me busy, which is yeah, it's something that's not that demanding of my 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 body or my fatigue syndrome, and I don't want to go into the exercise malaise, no, post-exercise. Oh, sometimes my English is not that well, so post-exercise malaise or something it's called. All about doing more than you can. And here we have some sheep. Don't know if, oh, sorry sheep, sorry sheep. Don't want to be rude. Yeah, I can imagine this guy with his scoot machine going on, just invading their land. I would be shocked as well. And now is the worst thing of my mobility scooter, which I really hate, is like the beeping sound. Like, look at me, I'm an invalid. I cannot watch around and see what's all around me. Look at me, beep, beep, beep. It's drawing a lot of attention to myself, which I don't want. Lots of people with heart diseases are, yeah, we all know how it feels, like people saying, oh, but you don't look like you're sick, or oh, but you can do this, so why you cannot work, or anything, you know. It's, we all have been there, and yeah, it makes me really sad. Sometimes all the people who just don't know anything about it, but they judge you for it. And maybe there will be in the comments also people going like, oh yeah, but you just have to sleep well and then everything will be alright, or I can heal you. I see it on the Dutch version I made, that people say, oh yeah, just send me your medical papers and I will heal you because I know the trick. Yeah, well, I don't trust it. Oh, and please tell me if I'm talking too much, or if I have to do more stuff telling about the trees and the plants all around me. I know lots of Dutch names for lots of plants, but then I have to try to get all the English names, and that would be yeah, a whole other thing. I think this long thing is called a bramble, and I see some sting nettles. And is this what's this called? A fiddle? Yeah, we call it distal, but I know. But it's, yeah, well, it's beautiful, but I don't know the name. We have here a little bit with pine trees, so it smells really nice here. When it's summer, it's always really nice to just stop here for a moment and smell the trees and listen to the birds, of course. well. Yeah, if I turn the camera away, then most of the people there are, most of the time there are people I just don't want to involve in our filming exercise. Almost on the edge of the little piece of wood, and then we come close to the little village where I live. So I will take you into the village for a moment, but yeah, first we have to pass a gravel path, so that would be rather noisy, I think. Hello.
Hi.
Almost done with the gravel. There we go. There we go, with the full 15 kilometers an hour. Really fast. Over there is ice skating pond for the winter. And this side it's also just beautiful greenery. Oh, they drenched this out of the water. Doesn't look that quiet. Great. Yeah, these cobblestones are a bit noisy. Yeah, there is a lot of construction going on at the moment. I'm now closer and closer to the lesser beautiful bits of the journey. So I will quit the video, and I hope you like it. Please yeah, put a thumbs up or say hello or comment on anything. Everything will be nice, and yeah, have a good time.